This is by far the best assault rifle in Black Ops 7 Zombies. Here is why. Woyak KT-3, one of the newest assault rifles, already top meta in Zombies. It has a 100-round mag, like an LMG, but keeps full assault rifle mobility. High damage and fire rate let you clear rounds in under a minute. Hit round 55, you're still dropping zombies in just a few shots. Use this build. And if you want to be ready for Totenreich dropping April 30th, don't waste time grinding. Just use timesaver.gg to get ready instantly.